Altro white rock can be fixed to most types of substrates. The surface should be sound, dry and free of any contaminants. Typical substrates include fair-faced blockwork, brickwork, sand and cement rendering, plasterboard, plastered surfaces, plywood, MDF, ceramic tiles and existing paint. The substrate must be straight to within 3 mm over a 2 meter straight edge. Internal and external corners should be true and level and conform to the relevant building code of practice. Align blockwork substrates accurately at the edges, with joints backed up, flush and smooth. Brush and fully seal new pink plastered surfaces using 1 part PVA to 10 parts water. Check, sand and clean existing painted surfaces. If necessary, carry out an adhesion test. Securely bond and clean ceramic tiles prior to the installation. Remove and replace loose tiles with dry lining materials such as plywood and edge glazed surfaces with a diamond disc grinder. Remove all dust contamination. Mark the walls where the datum line will be imprinted. A datum line is applied to the substrate. This should be set up with a laser level or long spirit level to provide an accurate line at eye level around the room. The datum line is used to calculate all measurements within the room. These include measurements up to the ceiling height and down to the floor level, and for the positioning of the sockets and pipes. It also ensures the sheets remain plumb as the installation proceeds. Take measurements from the datum line to the floor to ascertain the average height of the datum above floor level. The datum height minus the appropriate floor skirting height must then be marked on the sheet. This will enable all subsequent measurements to be accurately processed from the wall datum line to the sheet datum line. Plan the best layout of the sheets to minimize the number of joints. These should not fall too closely to the corners. A minimum distance of 150 to 200 mm would be okay.